Too strong, cause it is my favorite holiday. But all this year's been a busy blur. Don't think I have the energy to add to my already mad trash, because it is the season. The perfect gift for me would be completions and connections left from last year's eShop encounter. Most interesting, had her number but never the time. Most of 23 passed along those lines. So deck those halls, trim those trees, raise up bluffs of Christmas cheer. I just need to catch my breath. Christmas by myself this year. Christmas picture, frozen landscape, chill this room for 24 days. Evergreen, sparkling snow, get this winter over with. Flashback to springtime, saw her again. Would have been good to go for lunch. Couldn't agree when we both were free. We tried, we said we'd keep in touch. Didn't, of course, till summertime. Out to the beach to her boat, could I join her? No, this time it was me. Sunburn in the 3rd degree. Now the calendar's just one page, and of course I am excited. Tonight's the night, I've set my mind not to do too much about it. But I think I'll miss this one this year.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.
But I think I'll miss this one this year.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.
But I think I'll miss this one this year.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.
But I think I'll miss this one this year.
Hardly dashing through the snow, cause I bundled up too tight. Last minute have to do a few cards, a few calls, because it's RSVP. No thanks, no party lights. It's Christmas Eve, gonna relax. Turned down all of my invites. Had a night to myself. Same girl called, Halloween party. Waited all night for her to show. This time her car wouldn't go. Forget it, it's cold, it's getting late. Trudge on home to celebrate in a quiet way. Unwind, doing Christmas right this time. Buc-ee's has provided me with the world's smallest turkey, already in the oven, nice and hot. Oh damn, guess what I forgot? So on with the boots, back out in the snow to the only all-night grocery. When what am I wondering I should appear? Is that guy and that girl as I've been chasing all year? But in this one alone, she said, need a break, this year's been crazy. I said, me too, but why are you? You mean you forgot cranberries too? Then suddenly we laughed and laughed, caught on to what was happening. Christmas magic's brought this tale to a very happy ending. Yeah, I couldn't miss this one this year.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.
I couldn't miss this one this year.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.
No, I couldn't miss this one this year.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.
Yeah, I couldn't miss this one this year.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.
Yeah, we couldn't miss this one this year.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.
No, we couldn't miss this one this year.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.
Yeah, we couldn't miss this one this year.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.
No, we couldn't miss this one this year.